So I've looked at loads, Thule, lots and lots, and I've gone for this one, the Yakima front loader. So what do you get? You get a massive box, and as it comes packed really well in 2 bags, gosh, it is heavy, and I mean heavy. I don't just mean a little bit heavy. This is the heaviest bike carrier I've ever seen. So we've got a lock barrel. You get a cable that goes through and can lock the wheel. Instructions in a few different languages: German, French, Spanish, Italian, GB. Quite clear instructions. And there. So there it is. It's a bit of a machine. Gosh, really sturdy. Solid buttons, solid cables. You've got a front section, it's like a pincer that you unwind with this here. This is your locking cable. It can come loop through your wheel, fits on a lock at the front. This is your other pincer at the back, so this opens up and does that. You can set it in 3 different positions: top, middle and bottom, and that's for how your bars are on your car. This section moves backwards and forwards. This section moves backwards and forwards, and this all comes off quite easy, because you might need to put this on the other side of this bracket. Both of these come off and they can reverse, depends on what the pitch is between your front and rear bars. Put your wheel in here, you can adjust this up and down. That's where your front wheel butts up against, and as it goes in here, this rocks forward, creates a nice base, and this here butts up against the back of your front wheel, and it's all tightened by this here. Just rotate it in and it loosens and tightens the mechanism there. That one, look, locks it in place. What I would do, I've got 2 of these and I've tried my first one, is mate the wheels to this position here and here on the ground. I'll show you what I mean, because if you try and do it on the roof, it takes a bit of doing, especially if you've got a high vehicle. Right, this moves, this moves. I'll show you what I mean about putting the bike on before you put it on the roof. That's the basics of how it fits. That slips up, that rotates forward. You lock this front position, just lock that forward, make sure that's up, turn it in, lock it. Critical bit is this: you want to know that is sitting in the centre, and it's relative to where you have this on your bars, so have a think about it before you position your bars on your car. Now before you take it to your car, I'd advise you to wind this section open. This is the front. If you can see, this claw mechanism here is opening, and I'll show you why I open that. It's got a long thread. Open it, open it, open it. Because this is going to go, it's where your bar's going to sit. Now you do lift it and angle it in, however if you have it open wide, your bar can just sit in there. Also at the back, you want to unwind this one slightly, and if you look, there's a bar here. Once it's loose, turn the bar and this will open. It will swing open. If you've got it on the roof when you do it, it can hit the roof, so please be careful it doesn't scratch your roof. Or put something under here, felt pad or something, and just wind these open. It saves you a bit of time, and it's a bit less awkward when it's on the ground. I'm popping mine on these bars. This is a Dacia, and I'm just going to show you how it goes on. I've not undone this one, I'm not going to put it fully on, but because I've already done one. Just want you to see the angle it goes on at. Now bear in mind how heavy this is. I've initially rested it, look, on the bar. See, I've not opened it enough, so you tilt this section and the bar goes within it. So undo this a bit more. That is now on. See, the back section needs moving slightly, and I'll undo this, lift it up, release it and drop it back down. And you just tighten this up, and this bit needs to be the exact shape. This angle on mine goes right into the V, so I'd set it by pushing it back, hold it, tighten it, then go to the back, do the same. I have realised I've got a bit of a problem. I can't reach. When I put my bike on, I can't reach it. So I either have to stand in my door, or I need a stool to get up, to get the bike right up and into the wheel to be able to do the mechanism. So this goes over, you see, over, that comes up. You need the height to your frame to get that done. On a car you'll probably be alright, but on this thing I definitely need a stool. But it's a solid bit of kit. I have put the bike on mine. Once you've initially set it up, you'll just take it off, pop it back on, it's just a couple of tightening screws, but just take the time to get it right and make sure the bars that hold the carrier are also tight, because there is going to be some weight on your roof.